to a new video. Today we are going to see how to learn how to use this app called Games for ESL, Games for English as a Second Language. This is an interesting and useful app to develop the vocabulary in beginners, intermediate, and advanced learners of this English language. The first thing that we have to do is to type Games for ESL. So in this case, we have the results, and the first app is the correct. So we have Games for ESL, Games for teaching English. In this case, is so useful because we are going to be teachers in the future, and we need an interesting way, an interesting form to teach English. So let's see this app. So click on them and let's check. For example, this is a complete website, a complete app where you can find some activities. We have activity videos, quizzes, a PowerPoint games, PowerPoint presentation, lessons, worksheets, print tables, lesson plans, and exercise. Let's see lesson plans. Lesson plans here we can see there are some lesson plans, a complete lesson plan, and let's see. For example, when we are teaching for beginners, learners, we can use different strategies, different topics. For example, let's teach about animals. So click on them and let's see a lesson plan for animals. So in this bar we have a brief introduction of the lesson plans, but we have materials for the lessons. So we have flashcard, broad game, and animal quizzing period. The first material we are the flashcards. So as you can see in the picture, we have some flashcards to teach about animals. So in this case, for beginner learners, we have, for example, as you can see, dog, the word cat, lion, tiger, horse, giraffe, wolf, elephant, koala, monkey, and some like that. Snake, fish, to teach vocabulary. This is to teach vocabulary. So we can go back, see another use lesson plan. We are going to see more for learners. For example, future tense. This is a so important topic in pre-intermediate and intermediate learners. So this is so important to do past future tense. So we have a brief introductions, we have some videos. Remember that the videos are so important in this case, introduction to make a better comprehension of this topic. We have some activities, you have a review and additional resources. Let's see, we have some worksheets to see Another interesting topic to teach is about Christmas. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you give me away. This year, for Save It to Tears, I give you to someone special. This is a so beautiful song, but let's see about Christmas. So we click on the Christmas lesson plan, and let's see, we have a brief introduction about what is Christmas, about the Christmas lesson plan. So we have the materials for the lesson, Christmas vocabulary worksheet. So we have to click on them and let's see. So we have some words to see. As you can see, we have Santa, Star, Candy Cane, Slain, Holy, Elf, Talking, Reader, Present, and Tree. We have some pictures about the words in vocabulary to match them to write next to the pictures and to complete the activity. So as you can see, in Games4ESL we have many activities to do. It's a good website to teach about vocabulary aspects and for a better teaching. That's all. Thank you so much. It was my presentation.